CEO of Clu Industries. Over the past year or so, we've seen an enormous rise in AI technologies and particular AI handhelds. And that really hasn't flown under the radar here at Clu. That is why today I am super excited to introduce to you the C1. As you can see from the design, it is incredibly industrial, yet somehow elegant and beautiful at the same time. And it doesn't stop there. Simply using the wake word "Hey Clu" allows you to open up a world of AI possibilities. Everything from calling you an Uber to the services that you would use every day, like Spotify, asking you to play a certain track.
Hey Clu, what's the weather?
I don't know. Why don't you just look outside?
Hey Clu, call me an Uber.
You are an Uber.
Hey Clu, remind me to buy eggs.
You need to buy eggs.
We've partnered with OpenAI so we can ensure that your data is not protected, not encrypted, and probably going to be used in their next GPT model. Now, you're probably wondering, a device as beautiful as this with such rich features is probably going to cost you an arm and a leg. Well, you'd be right. We're looking at a starting price of 1,600 USD. That may sound like a lot, but these devices only come around once in a while. And of course, when you buy the device, you will also need the subscription. The Clu Plus subscription service allows you to even ask questions about tech and even hooks into your calendars.
Hey Clu, my laptop won't turn on.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
So that is the C1. For just 1,600 USD, you can have this beautiful device that will help you be more productive in your life. Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Bite Size Clu, and of course, in case you hadn't noticed already, this was a parody. Happy April Fool's Day from me, Zoe behind the camera, who's been a beautiful model and was able to show off some of the amazing AI features that we have here. If you did enjoy this video, share it with your friends, family, all of that good stuff, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Adios.